Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for replacing propane pigtails on a changeover valve for a travel trailer or fifth wheel. Pretty simple project. I'm including the product links in the description below. Make sure to check that out. I'm also posting weekly videos, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Let's dive right in.
Here's a list of materials and tools you will need to complete this project.
Now there's usually two different types of hose connections. This one is a 1/4 inch inverted male flare with ACME nut. Now with these inverted male flares, you do not want to use any plumbing tape. This is already a tight enough brass connection that you do not want to put any plumbing tape in there because you may get a slow leak from it. So we're maintaining running our fridge on the other side, and we're going to go ahead and replace this one side first, make sure we got the right size. According to our specs, we've already replaced the shutoff valve once, and so from the specs of when I replaced it, this should be the right size, but let's find out. Okay, so I believe this brass fitting will stay, and this is the one that we're taking off. Wow, easy peasy. That almost felt like it was loose. You may be wondering why we're replacing this. This is why. So when we bought the new valve, I guess they just put really cheap pigtails on there. Probably want to make sure you don't over tighten too, but as you can see, no plumbing tape on there. Our thread's a little bit different. Let's see if it fits on there. All right, so we got one pigtail down. One more to go. And since we're still running our fridge, I can put the new tank on here, change the valve over. We'll shut this one off, and then we'll replace that pigtail. All right, let's go over to the other side. Now see, this one's not actually cracked, but I'd rather just change them both out. That way I have the peace of mind. We got it on. Put our tank back on. It's good to do a sniff test. Make sure you can't smell any propane. And I'm just missing my one piece. All right, turn my other gas back on. Change over. Turn this one off. And this is an automatic changeover valve, but I like to know when my tanks go out. That way I can go ahead and replenish the one and still have another spare on deck. But boom, simple as that. Do a little sniff test again. You should be able to smell propane. If there is a leak, it will fall normally. But I'm not smelling anything, so I think we're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and button this back up. And we'll go and check our fridge, make sure everything's running. I was told we do want to do a purge of the system, so your furthest, let's say stove or whatever point that is what you should be pulling some gas from, just to make sure you get any kind of air pockets that may have been in there out. Okay, so now we're going to run a purge on the line, make sure we got all the air out, since we added some new lines in there, probably got air in the lines. This is our furthest point back in our propane line. This is our outdoor stove. Well, I'm just gonna test it out here. Now, if you do have a leak, you really wouldn't be getting enough pressure to be able to get a flow through the line, especially to run your fridge. So if you notice you're like tripping on your fridge and the check light's on, it could be that you didn't get your connections down tight enough. Let's just go ahead and test this out and purge the lines. Okay, so we got both our burners on. Looks like we're good. Just let this run for a minute or so. Make sure all the air gets worked out of the system. But as you can see, super easy fix. You can do it yourself in a matter of minutes. Just make sure you pick up the right parts. Thank you for watching this how-to video. Hope you enjoyed it. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to check those out. If you enjoyed this video, smash down the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.